Are you looking for the top 5 best soundproofing for home studios? Struggling with noise ruining your recordings and creativity? Here are the 5 best soundproofing options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Chang Acoustic Foam Panels. First up are the Chang Acoustic Foam Panels, priced at just $13.99. These high-density polyurethane foam panels caught my eye for their affordable price and promise of effective soundproofing. If you want to reduce echoes and improve audio clarity, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each panel measures 12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch and has a density of 30 kilograms per meter cubed, making them highly effective at absorbing sound and reducing reverb. This means you can create a clearer audio environment for your home studio or gaming setup. Plus, they're fire resistant, which is a huge plus for safety, and they can be easily installed with double-sided tape. In the past month alone, over 1,000 people bought these, which speaks volumes about their popularity. Now, some people complained about them not being thick enough for serious soundproofing. Here's the thing though, while they may not block out all external noise, they do a fantastic job at dampening echo, which is crucial for recording. So if you're a musician or a podcaster, these can still work wonders for you. This is perfect for you if you have a small home studio or gaming room that needs a quick sound upgrade. Skip this one if you're looking for full noise isolation from busy streets or loud neighbors. For the price, you really can't go wrong with these panels. Now, if the thickness of the Chang panels bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a thicker design.
Product number 2, SD Sodoct Pyramid Acoustic Panels. Next, we have the SD Sodoct Pyramid Acoustic Foam Panels, priced at $37.99. These panels stood out to me with their unique pyramid design, which not only looks cool, but also enhances sound absorption. If you're serious about improving your acoustic environment, this is definitely worth a look. These panels are crafted from top-grade acoustic foam and are designed to effectively absorb sound waves, which means you'll notice a significant reduction in echo and reverberation. With a high NRC rating, they create a quieter workspace, perfect for recording studios or home theaters. Plus, they're fire-resistant and eco-friendly, which adds to their appeal. Installation is a breeze, and they can be attached to walls or ceilings easily. However, some users mention that the panels are a bit on the heavier side, making installation slightly more challenging. But honestly, once they're up, you'll appreciate the sturdiness and effectiveness in soundproofing. For anyone looking to set up a serious recording studio, these panels are a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want style and functionality in your soundproofing. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight and easy to reposition. Overall, they're a good investment for serious audio work. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need quantity without.
Product number 3, Chuang Soundproof Foam Panels. Now, let's talk about the Chuang Soundproof Foam Panels, which come in a pack of 54 for $35.99. I was genuinely surprised by how much value you get with this package. If you need coverage for a larger area without spending a fortune, this is worth checking out. Each panel measures 12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch, and with 54 in a pack, you can cover a lot of wall space. The wedge-cut design allows for versatile arrangements, helping to absorb echoes and enhance audio clarity. They come with adhesive stickers, making installation quick and painless. The high-density foam ensures durability, so you won't be replacing these anytime soon. That said, some users noted that the adhesive pads could be stronger. Here's the thing, while this can be a slight inconvenience, I found that once they're adhered properly, they do stay in place well. So if you're careful during installation, you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if your studio or game room has large wall spaces that need treatment. Skip this one if you prefer panels that are more stylish or have a unique design. At this price, it's hard to beat the quantity and quality. Now, if you want something with a bit more flair while still being effective.
Product number 4, Jaybur Acoustic Foam Panels. Next up, we have the Jaybur Acoustic Foam Panels, also priced at $13.99 for a pack of 12. I'll be real with you, I didn't expect these to perform as well as they do for the price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that delivers on sound absorption, give these a serious look. These panels are crafted from high-density polyurethane foam and have a unique wedge shape that maximizes sound absorption.
They effectively reduce annoying echoes, which is crucial for achieving clear audio whether you're recording music or gaming. Plus, they're fire resistant, so you can feel safe using them in your home. They're lightweight and easy to install, making them a good choice for anyone who's not super handy. However, some complaints mention that the panels can take a while to fully expand after unpacking. Honestly, I found that if you leave them out for a bit or use a blow dryer, they fluff up nicely. So while this could be a minor hassle, the performance you get is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in your audio journey, or if you need a quick fix for sound issues. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty, professional-grade solution. For the price, these are a fantastic buy.
Product number 5. Nepis Acoustic Panels. Finally, let's check out the Nepis Acoustic Panels, priced at $49.99 for a pack of 20. These panels feature a stylish brick design that not only looks great, but also excels in sound absorption. If aesthetics are just as important as functionality for you, this is worth considering. With an NRC coefficient exceeding 0.95, these panels are designed to absorb a wide range of frequencies, making them effective against everything from traffic noise to loud music in your home. The high-density polyester material ensures durability, and they're super easy to install. Just peel and stick. Plus, they're eco-friendly and odorless, which is a nice touch for any indoor space. Some reviewers pointed out that they are a bit pricier than some other options, but here's my take. The combination of design, effectiveness, and ease of installation makes them worth the investment if you want to enhance your studio's look and sound. This is perfect for you if you want to combine soundproofing with style in your workspace. Skip this one if you're on a very tight budget or need a more traditional foam panel. For the quality and design, this set is a great value. So there you have it. Now let's quickly recap the top 5 soundproofing options.
To sum it up, we've covered the Saichang acoustic foam panels, SD Sotodoct pyramid acoustic panels, Temchuum soundproof foam panels, JBER acoustic foam panels, and Nepis acoustic panels. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Nepis acoustic panels because they beautifully blend style and performance, making them ideal for any aesthetic-minded audio creator. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the SD Sotodoct panels if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to reposition. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments.